Hello. This is more of a fun video, not necessarily about collecting or investing, although you can collect and invest if you do this thing. I want to start vending. This isn't new or out of the blue. I've actually been wanting to vend for a while now. Like, I had actually thought about doing it, I think like June of 2025 is like when the idea first came to me. There was someone who had purchased a lot of my singles, and they let me know that they vend. So because they vend, they were like, hey, dude, like, yeah, like, this is what I do. This is why I do it. Here's why it usually works out. Here's why it's a good idea. And honestly, like, it just seemed like a really enjoyable way to, spend a weekend, one. But two, like, get to meet people, get to see other products that I've never seen, like, ever seen in my entire life personally, me myself firsthand. So keeping that in mind, I was like, well, I have a lot of things that I've invested in. I have a lot of long-term holds. I have a lot of long-term holds, and I have a lot of, like, personal investments, right? And I do have my PC. I have, a Fossil Pack. I have Evolving Skies booster box, Lost Origin booster box, a couple of heavy hitters. You know what I mean? Like, I've got 151 booster bundle displays sealed, like all that great fun stuff. But the big thing, the biggest part of all this was like, hey man, how can I grow my PC? So the collection and investment part of that is, if I wanted to grow my PC, I could start by going to shows and meeting people and trading off my things. And then as I, sell something at a show, maybe I go and I find another deal at a show. A show is a great place to like make a deal happen, As a vendor, you're motivated to move things and obviously to make your weekend worth it. And then as a buyer, you're excited to be there. Like, you're at a show because you want to buy stuff. All of that being said, I'm planning on vending my first show. It would be with Cards and More, Cards and More tour. The vendor that I had originally sold my unsealed Pokemon 151 booster bundle displays, he was like, hey dude, like, if you're interested in getting into it, I recommend it to everybody. Not everybody takes me up on it, but it's a lot of fun. It's a really great way to spend a weekend. I think that was enough for me. Like, that alone just had the gears turning, man. Because, like, through him, I had seen 2 blister packs of base set, the Charizard and the Blastoise. And then he just got back from that show that he did, and lo and behold, the guy comes back with another Blastoise. And I was like, dude, it's so cool to see, because, like, it's largely his PC that he goes to these shows and sells sometimes. Obviously, like, he came here and bought my 151, and he had the Charizard and the Blastoise. This time he picked up an extra Blastoise, but he didn't have the Charizard. So, like, it's kind of a give and take, right? I think it'd be a really cool way to enjoy this hobby. I don't want to part ways with my long-term investments, but at the same time, I could always pick them back up. I could reinvest, get out of maybe, like, I don't know, Stellar Crown PC ETBs and get into 1 team up blister or 2 team up blisters. I don't even know the market value on those. Let's put up a video here so we could all be amazed together. I'm sure it's some obnoxious number, so, like, maybe it's probably just 1 that I could sell all those for. I have no idea, dude. If it's 2 though, or 3, like, that just sounds cool. Like, how cool would it be to be vending, and at your booth you have, like, I got this PC Cubone, like, Pokemon Center, only at Pokemon Center from a Pokemon Center surprise box that I had bought like over a year ago, and I finally just ripped it because I was like, 30th anniversary, it'll be fun, it'll be exciting. Inside of that, I had a sleeve booster of Lost Origin, sleeve booster of Silver Tempest, sleeve booster of Astral Radiance, and then a sleeve booster of Evolving Skies, which was insane. All right, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you all so much for listening. I hope to see you at Cards and More Tour in May.